Take it to the next level.
Hey y'all, this is Anthony from Rocket Prince. Thanks for watching this video. Today in this tutorial, we are going to work with refrigeration magnets. As you can see, the magnet sublimation blank, and that is a 4x6, 6.5 centimeters. Then we're going to press it with my 15x15 heat press. We're going to set the temperature at 280 degrees for 1 minute. I'm also using my Sawgrass SG400 to print the sublimation off of text art paper, and I'll leave the links down below for the equipment that I'm using. And before that, I'm going to set it up in CorelDRAW X8. I'm going to get the dimensions set up right. So if you want the full benefit to this tutorial, please remember to stick around to the very end. So with that, hope y'all like this video, and let's go and get this started. Okay guys, so this is the actual project that I'm going to be working with, and you can see that this is their demonstration of what you can make with these magnets. Obviously this is, I purchased this off of Amazon, and it's called Fridge Magnet Blank Glossy Polymer Sublimation Refrigerator. Comes with 10 pieces. Currently it's unavailable. It's a rectangular, and the material is polyester. Okay, so the instructions here, what they're requiring, so this is kind of like a tile, ceramic mug kind of thing. So we're going to place our heat press at 401 Fahrenheit. This is the actual instructions, and let's go ahead and go from there. Let's move on to CorelDRAW, and this is where I'm going to print my image. Okay, hope y'all are having a happy Mother's Day and plenty of barbecues. Okay, so let's go to new, and we're just going to change the units to centimeters, and we're going to go ahead and put their instructions. So for the width, we're going to change this to 6.5, and the height, we're going to change it to 4.6, and that should give it the picture frame. We're going to import, and I'm going to import an image that I made a long time ago. Thought it was pretty cool. It's called King of Kings, and I just got to take this background out of it real quick. It's just a white background. Bring it here, we'll blow this up a little bit, and I'm going to fit the image in here. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to type in 6.5 and 4.6. all right, and that should fit perfect in here. Boom. Okay, all right, now that we got that ready, let's go ahead and print. So we're going to hit file here. Oh, I'm sorry, one last thing. I have to reverse the image. Always remember to reverse the image. It'll waste a lot of ink if you forget. Okay. So, alright, so let's hit print. And let's change this to my Sawgrass SG400. Let's hit apply. Alright, so this is what it actually looks like. Here is the actual sublimation part we're going to be working with. This is the back, and you can see there's a hole there, and you get these magnetic placement. What you're going to do, I don't exactly understand what the hole is for, but they didn't give me an extra piece for that. So what we're gonna do, and here's the instructions they give you. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, you got the double-sided tape here, so just place that there, and then you have your magnetic placement for your fridge. That's how it's gonna look. Okay? So let's move that out of the way. And we got our pictures. I'm just gonna cut all right. Okay, and take my heat-resistant tape, and I'm going to place this over the image. Just like that. And I'll take some of this tape. Now what I'm doing is I'm folding it so I get a good grip. And if you can see this one better, I'm folding it right there and then laying it over, okay? And I'll do the same thing on this side. Fold, lay over, and in the back we're gonna fold and lay over. All right. All right, now I'm just gonna use my fingernail just to, I'll just use that piece of tape just to lift it up. Have the image there, and it's ready to print. So when we're ready to press. So what I'm going to do is when I put it on the heat press, I want to place it this way. Okay, place it this way so the heat press can sit on top of it and burn that image onto the sublimation blank. All right, let's go and see if our heat press is ready, and let's get started. Okay guys, so we got our temperature set to 280 degrees, and we're gonna do this for 1 full minute. I'm just gonna add some pressure, a little bit more pressure here. We're gonna do about another quarter turn, a full turn. And here we go. All right, looks like we got about 10 seconds, and let's get ready to lift this. Okay, let's see if this turns out, how this turns out, okay? It's really hot, so I just have to be careful here. Ooh, it's hot. All right, and that looks good. That looks really good, guys. It's just scorching hot, but it came out really good. You can see that, and came out real nice. It's just hot right now. It just needs to cool off. All right, let's go ahead and flip this around, and let's apply the magnetic strip. We're just gonna peel this back here, peel it off, and let's put it on. Try to get it in the middle as much as possible. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and move it to the refrigerator. Here we go, guys. And there it is, guys. There is my refrigerator magnet. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and you guys get creative. You can make your own refrigerator magnets and sell them to friends and family or customers, and start off a little business, little magnet business. Just remember, you also can put portraits. You can put anything on it, actually, you know. So this was a fun project for me to do. I really enjoyed it. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my next video next week. Y'all stay safe. God bless you, and peace.